As for being my students, you're choosing the wrong teacher, akhi. Yeah, when you choose to learn from someone, learn from scholars. We are not scholars. We are da'is. We are people who have a little bit edge of knowledge, more than you, but we're not scholars. So we take from the real scholars, we digest what they say and represent it to you in a language that you would understand. So you would say, Sheikh, where did you bring this from? I'll tell you, I brought this from so-and-so scholar, Sheikh Ibn Uthaymeen, Sheikh Ibn Baz, Sheikh Al-Albani, great scholars of Islam. Where, Sheikh? Show me. I'll show you. I have the references. I don't have the guts to come and say, it should be this way. Where did you get this from? I don't know. It sounded good. It looked good. It felt good. No, this is not within my job description. So if you would like to learn, go to the real scholars. Don't be fooled by us who come on TV, who come on social media, who people address as Sheikh, Imam, Allama. This is cheap talk. Don't believe in that. Now, if you say that, well, Sheikh, I don't have access to the great scholars, I don't know Arabic.
Exactly, sir. We don't have access.
In this case,
yes, sir.
Welcome on board. Everybody is my student. There is my social media. There is my YouTube channel. There is my website. You can always visit and you can always post your questions. You know that I answer questions every single day.
Of course, you do.
So you are more than welcome, and I am more than honored to have you as a student, or let's say as a colleague of mine, inshallah.
Sir, is there any other option in which we can personally learn from you, or something like that?
Wallahi, akhi, listen. I reside in Saudi Arabia, and I don't have a school that I teach in. I have only my masjid, and I gave one lecture every Monday after Isha in Arabic, and I gave my khutbah of Jum'ah.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes, but it should be the last, because I believe there are callers waiting. Yes.
All right, sir. Sir, actually, I'm planning to come to Saudi Arabia. So, if you don't mind, can I again pose the same question or request?
No problem. When you come to Saudi Arabia, give me a call on my mobile, and we will see how it can be done. I teach in a university online known as Knowledge International University, www.kiu.org. So I teach on it tafsir and fiqh. You can register in that, and a lot of great brothers and da'is are also teaching there. So, and it's one of the best online universities that you can be, inshallah, participating in. Jazakallah khair for calling.